Hey, it's Manny from TeamGantt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run an effective project kickoff meeting. We'll cover everything from the importance of a kickoff meeting all the way to the post-kickoff stages. We'll answer key questions like what is a project kickoff meeting and why is it crucial in project management. Also, check the description for links to all the resources mentioned throughout this video. A kickoff meeting is the launch pad to your project, bringing your team and stakeholders together to align on goals, expectations, constraints, and deliverables. Anytime you want to schedule a new meeting, consider the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. This framework helps determine if the meeting is needed and how to structure the time and what to do beforehand. A project kickoff meeting typically happens during the project initiation phase, which you can learn more about here. This comes after the project charter is complete and sets the tone for the entire project. You can learn more about what a project charter is here. Skipping a kickoff meeting can lead to chaos in your project. Goals get mixed up, approvals are missed, and legal requirements are overlooked. While we should all be for cutting unnecessary meetings, a kickoff meeting is crucial for the success of your project. It gathers team buy-in, clarifies expectations, boosts morale, and identifies problems before the project even starts. With the right preparation, you'll see all of these benefits played out in real time. So now you might ask, what are the basic steps for leading a project kickoff meeting from start to finish? Make sure to define the meeting's objectives clearly, as well as create a structured agenda covering key topics like goals, risks, and timelines. I recommend breaking down your meeting agenda into 7 parts. For example, a 1-hour meeting could look like this: welcome and introductions for about 2 minutes, icebreaker for the next 3 minutes, meeting expectations and project purpose for 10, goals and outcomes for 10, constraints for 15, key milestones for 10, and wrap up and next steps for the last 10 minutes. This structure is recommended, but you should try different things to see what works best for your team. Now, what about facilitation? These facilitation tips are crucial for keeping your meeting on track and engaging. It's important to use visual aids, encouraging participation, and manage time effectively to maximize productivity. This could be things like including a whiteboard for in-person meetings or a PowerPoint for virtual meetings, as well as fielding and answering questions as they come up instead of saving them for the end. Both of these tips will encourage and increase participation in your meetings. Now, once the kickoff meeting is over, how do you maintain the momentum? A great way to keep that momentum is to stay connected through regular updates, foster collaboration, and address challenges promptly to keep the project energy alive. In summary, kickoff meetings are the cornerstone to any successful project, ensuring alignment, engagement, and continuous momentum. Without a kickoff meeting, your project would be off to a slow and unguided start. You can download our free Project Kickoff Meeting Agenda template in the description below, as well as sign up for a free TeamGantt account. TeamGantt is a simple and easy to learn project management tool that can bring clarity, relieve stress, and boost efficiency in your team and projects. TeamGantt has 4 different views because we know that everyone learns and works differently. So why should we have to all work the same exact way when planning a project? Not only do we have a Gantt chart, but we also have a list view, calendar view, and Kanban board view that all work together. So go down to the description and sign up for your free account today. Hey, if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, as well as subscribe for future videos on personal and project management. My name is Manny, and I'll see you guys in the next video.